Hello everyone. Today we will take worksheet 3, question number 2. Question number 2 is very important. Question is, now you have to divide by using long division method. Divide the polynomial by using long division method. Remember one thing. If you have to divide by using long division method, always the term should be in proper standard form. Proper standard form means that the power of the variable should be in decreasing order. This is the first step which you have to remember. So divide this polynomial by binomial, that is 2p minus 1, but by long division method, and then you have to check the answer also. So observe whether this is in the proper standard form, both the polynomial. Observe the power of the variable is 3, then 2, then 1 and the constant term. And here also the power of the variable is 1 and the 0. Here power variable is 0. So both the terms are in proper standard form. Now we will go for the division method. Division method 2p minus 1, you have to divide it with 4p square minus 4p power 2 plus 6p minus 5 by 2. Same procedure you will follow it. Now observe, this is the first term. 2p को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि ये फर्स्ट टर्म आए? You have to remember. So 2p multiply 2p power 2. So अगर आप 2p power 2 से multiply करते हैं तो you will get the first term. I hope this part is clear. फर्स्ट टर्म को आपको देखना है ऑन द बोथ साइड्स. सो 2p को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि 4p पावर 3 आए? सो यू विल मल्टीप्लाई इट विथ 2p पावर 2. नाउ दिस 2p, अब इस 2p को आप इन दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो 2p मल्टीप्लाई 2p स्क्वायर, सो फर्स्ट टर्म यू विल गेट इट 4p3. अब 2p स्क्वायर को माइनस 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सो यू विल गेट इट माइनस 2p स्क्वायर. वंस अगेन सबसे पहले आपको ये देखना है 2p को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि फर्स्ट टर्म आए. बी केयरफुल अबाउट देयर साइन ऑल्सो. आफ्टर फाइंडिंग आउट, अब इस टर्म को, ये जो फर्स्ट टर्म आई है, इसको इन दोनों से आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. डिवाइजर की दोनों टर्म से आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग इट यू विल गेट दिस टर्म. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप, चेंज द साइन ऑफ द लोअर पार्ट. जो आपका मल्टीप्लाई करके आंसर आया है उसके साइन चेंज करेंगे. हियर इट इज प्लस, सो यू विल change its sign as minus. This is minus, so it will become plus. Up, first term, this is plus and this is minus. So instead of this plus, now minus sign is there. So ये आपकी cancel हो जाएगी. And what is left out? This is minus 4p square. अब इस minus की जगह plus आ गया. So minus 4p plus 2p square. So it will be minus 2p square. Now copy the remaining terms as it is, as we are doing it in the division. So copy remaining two terms. अब next step, इस 2p को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि ये फर्स्ट टर्म आए, माइनस 2p स्क्वायर आए. सो 2p को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? माइनस 2p स्क्वायर आएगा, माइनस p, देखो माइनस p को माइनस 2p से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, यू विल गेट माइनस 2p स्क्वायर। ओके, तो अब आपके पास ये टर्म आ गई माइनस p। अब आपको क्या करना है, इस माइनस p को, ये माइनस p को इन दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई करना है। सो माइनस p इंटू 2p, ध्यान रखिएगा अब खाली माइनस p को इन दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई करना है। सो 2p इंटू माइनस p, you will get minus 2p square, and minus 1 into minus p, this is plus p. So plus p. So what should be the next step? You have to change the sign of the lower part. So this is minus, so it will become plus. This is plus, so it will become minus. And in next step, what will you do? This is minus and this is plus, so cancel it. And 6p माइनस p, इस प्लस की जगह अब ये माइनस साइन आ गया, सो 6p माइनस p, so it will become 5p, and copy this term as it is, this term as it is, whatever be the remaining term you will copy it as it is. Now next step, इस 2p को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि 5p आए? Since 5 does not come in 2p, so I have told it the concept. How will you find out? 5p को 2p से डिवाइड करके देख लीजिए, 5p divided by 2p, ये कैंसिल हो गया, so you are getting 5/2. so 5/2 से आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। Now 5/2 multiply this, देखिए what will you get it? 5/2 multiply 2p, 2 and 2 cancelled out, so you will get 5p. Same thing you will get it. Now अब क्या करना है आपको? 5/2 को दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई करना है। So this multiply first term, it will come as 5p. Now minus 1 into 5p, 5/2. Minus 1 multiply 5/2. What should be the answer? Minus 5/2. Minus 5/2. And what should be the next step now? You have to change their sign. This is plus, so it will be minus. This is minus, so it will become plus. So cancel these two. अब यहाँ पर भी देखिए, this is minus and this is plus, and both the terms are same. 5/2 and 5/2. One is minus, one is plus. So these two will also be cancelled out. So what should be the remainder now? That is 0. Is it clear? Now we will go for the checking part. For checking, what is the formula? This is the dividend. Dividend should be equals to, divisor multiply quotient, divisor multiply quotient plus remainder, this you know it very well. So divisor, what is divisor? That is 2p minus 1. So 2p minus 1, and what is quotient here? 2p minus 1 multiply quotient is this. So this is quotient, and this is remainder. Now quotient, you will write it in the bracket, 2p square minus p plus 5/2 plus remainder. Remainder here is 0. Now after solving it, you should get the answer as dividend. Now how will you solve it? You have to open the bracket. So 2p को पहले आप इन दोनों से multiply, all the three terms you will multiply, and then minus 1 को इन सब से multiply करेंगे. So 2p multiply 2p square minus p plus 5/2, and similarly minus 1 को इन सब को, minus 1 से इन सब को multiply. Just you have to open the bracket. Now multiply this with this. 4p⁻3। अब इन सबको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 2p-p that is -2p², then 2p plus 5/2, 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, so it will come as 5p. Similarly -1 को इन सब से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Be careful about their signs also. So like this we will multiply it. Now what should be the next step? What it should be? That you have to solve it further by taking the like terms together. This 4p⁻3, you will write it like this: -2p² and -2p², it will become -4p², and 5p plus p, 5p plus p, that is 6p, and last term. And if you will observe, this and this dividend, both of them are same. Both of them are same. So this is the checking part. Now come to the second part. By doing the long division method, you have to do question. This question is x minus 6 plus 15x² by 2 plus 3x by 2 plus 3x. So in this, what do you observe? What do you observe? This is not in the standard form. So first we will write it in the proper standard form. So by writing it in proper standard form, so it will be 15x² plus x minus 6 by, similarly this is also not in the standard form, so it will be 3x plus 2. So make sure that first you will write it in the proper standard form and then only you will do the division. Okay, otherwise the answer which you will get it, that will be wrong. Now same procedure we will follow here also. अब 3x को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि फर्स्ट टर्म आए 15x के, सो इट विल बी 5x. अब क्या करेंगे, इस 5x को इन दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So 3x multiply 5x, so you will get it 15x². अब 2 को 5x से मल्टीप्लाई करिए, so it will come as 10x. What should be next step? You have to change their sign. So this is minus, this is also minus. Now same procedure you will follow. It will be cancelled out. So x, now plus की जगह क्या हो गया, minus sign. So x, 1x minus 10x. So it will be minus 9x. And now copy the remaining term. This is the remaining term, minus 6. What should be next step now? 3x को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे कि ये फर्स्ट टर्म माइनस 9x आए. तो 3x मल्टीप्लाई माइनस 3. तो 3x को माइनस 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, यू विल गेट फर्स्ट टर्म. नाउ व्हाट शुड बी द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? इस माइनस 3 को इन दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो इट विल बी माइनस 9x. माइनस 3 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करें, यू गेट माइनस. Now again change their sign, so plus, and this is also plus. And what should be next step? Both the terms are same, but one is plus, another is minus, so cancel it. Same way, one is plus, another is minus, cancel it. You will get it remainder as 0. So this is remainder and this is quotient. Now we will go for the checking part. For checking part, same procedure you will follow for checking part. So what is the formula for the checking part? That is dividend dividend equal divisor multiply quotient, divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Now divisor is 3x plus 2, multiply quotient, this is quotient 5x minus 3. 5x minus 3, keep it in the bracket, and the remainder again it is coming as 0. Now 3x को इन दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, ओपन द ब्रैकेट, 5x माइनस 3 एंड 2 को भी इन दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई, प्लस 2 को दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई. Now open it, so it will come as 15x square, multiply this with both terms, minus 9x plus 10x minus 6. Now solve it further by taking the like terms, 15x square as it is, minus 9x plus 10x, it will come as plus x and minus 6. So what do you observe? This 15x square plus x minus 6 is same as this dividend. So this is our right answer.